Yeah. So in here, like similar to that of the all of the infectious types of condition, the most important one is that of the testing, because that is the only way we can actually identify the profile of our people versus the exposure to that of the virus. But when it comes to that of the testing, specifically that of COVID testing, uh, we have to understand that the resources is there. So it's not only because that we can do it, but there's a tremendous lack of test materials that are available. The trend that's happening right now in the industry is that big corporate uh, uh, employers are actually purchasing the test kits from abroad and doing it themselves via the help of some of the health medical team to administer that to the employees. But meaning, not everyone can actually do that. And even if you do, like one-time testing, you cannot do periodic testing. So hence the important here of that of the screening, meaning there should be a way that if you turn out to be positive, that of the contact tracing and the eventual isolation. And another thing is that we cannot test everyone because it's a not the optimal way of using your resources, but there should actually be a way to segregate which ones should actually be requiring that of the testing. And well, the type of testing that we are doing is very, very low. Like, for example, the one that that's actually been happening outside, we are only doing like less than 1,000 testing per million population compared to like 30,000 in Portugal, in South Korea. So hence, the importance of using that optimally together with that of the other practices that we can adopt, other strategies that we have adopted. We mentioned about that of the behavioral administrative types of strategy, those engineering controls, and that of the different types of PPEs. But the thing here is that it's now that we were that we realize how important the people is. So hence, the importance for our policies and our practices and our protocols to be adjusted and be mandated by the leadership of the company so that to ensure that everyone is going to be protected. Yeah, thank you. Back to you, Bob.
Okay, thank you, Tony, for reminding us the special considerations to ensure that we protect our people. Now, going back again to our case study of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant, the role of the occupational safety and health expert is critical. They put in place 100 different health and safety measures. Masks were worn and shift changes were arranged so that workers arriving don't meet those that are leaving. And inside the plant, employees walk in a single file inside, following markers on the floor. There's also reduced seating in customer areas. Furthermore, their tools are disinfected every shift, and materials are set down in containers so that they can be safely picked up by others. Vehicles, as they are being assembled, are spaced further apart. So they re-engineered their production floor so that workers can complete tasks on each vehicle being assembled at a safe distance from each other. Mobile plexiglass partitions are used in many areas. Water dispensers were temporarily removed and air conditioners were set to circulate as much fresh air as possible to eliminate that breath cloud filled with viruses. Several hundred additional hand wash